Before we start our topic, we must know that concept of ledger. It is defined as a book or register which contains in a summarized and classified form a permanent record of all the transactions. Next, our topic is utility of ledger. Ledger is the most important book of account. It is the principal book of account which contains the information regarding the business. It is very difficult to prepare the final account in the absence of the ledger. Ledger provides the necessary information regarding the various accounts. Next, our topic is types of ledger. A small businessman whose business transactions are small in number can keep all the accounts, that is personal, real and nominal account, in one ledger, but in case of the number of transactions is large, the ledger may be divided into the following parts. These are debtors ledger, creditors ledger and the general ledger. Now our topic is source of writing ledger. The source from which we write the ledger are books of original entry, that is journal, subsidiary books like cash book, purchase books, sales books, return book and bills book, etc. I will show you the format for ledger. Before we make this ledger, we must remember these points. Each ledger account is divided into the equal parts, left hand side and the right hand side. Left hand side is known as a debit side and the right hand side is known as a credit side. Before we make any ledger, we must write the name of the account. It can be Ram account, Rahim account, cash account, etc. Students, remember these points. To is written before the accounts which appear on the debit side of the ledger. By is written before the accounts appearing on the credit side of the ledger. The complete process of posting from journal to the ledger has been discussed below. Step 1. Locate the ledger. The account to be debited as entered in the journal. Step 2. Enter the date of the transaction in the date column of the debit side. Step 3. In the particulars column, write the name of accounts through which it has been debited in the journal. Step 4. Enter the page number of the journal in the journal folio column and the journal write the page number of the ledger on which a particular account appears. And the step 5 is enter the relevant amount in the amount column on the debit side. Student, remember that it may be noted that the same procedure is followed for making entry on the credit side of that account to be credited. An account is opened only once in the ledger. All the entries relating to the particular account is posted to the debit or the credit side as the case may be. Now I will explain this method of recording ledger is in the following example. Suppose 2017 June 5, Ram started business with cash by rupees 2 lakhs. The journal will be cash account debit 2 lakhs to capital account 2 lakhs. And the narration will be business started with cash. Next, how we will show this journal into the ledger? In the books of Ram, because the owner of this farm is the Ram. Then I prepare cash account. On the left hand side, it means the debit side, we must write the year, then we write the date and the journal entry now posting in the ledger. To capital account by rupees 2 lakhs and the balance will be shown on the closing date. By balance CD 2 lakhs and the balance to be carried forward to the next year to balance BD. Capital account. Now capital account, how to show this journal into the capital account or capital ledger. By cash account rupees 2 lakhs and the balance should be to balance CD 2 lakhs. The closing balance transfer to the next year of July 1. So this was the method for recording journal.